This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the earbuds and case have enough juice. Low power interrupts the reset. Once done, place both Dime II earbuds into the case and leave the lid open so the case stays in pairing/maintenance state. Next, find the tiny reset button on the back of the case. You will press and hold it. Do this now. Holding triggers internal firmware mode that clears pairing records and starts the reset sequence. You press and hold the case reset button for about 15 seconds. This duration forces the earbuds to erase stored Bluetooth pairings. Keep holding until the LED begins a rapid flash pattern. That visual cue means the internal memory is being cleared. After release, close the lid for 2 seconds, then reopen it to let the earbuds reboot. Make sure to observe the LED pattern. The alternating or rapid white flashes indicate now you remove the earbuds and enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer. Scan for Dime II and select it to pair. If pairing fails, don't panic. Repeat the reset sequence once more after fully charging both earbuds and the case. Also, make sure to remove prior Dime II entries from your device's Bluetooth list because cached profiles can block a fresh connection. If problems persist, charge to 100% and try on another device to isolate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.